Ancient history start. Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, 5 lakh years to 10,000 BC. In India, the Paleolithic age developed in Paleolithic period or Ice Age and was spread in practically all part of India except the alluvial part of the Ganga and Indus. Food gatherer and hunting were the main occupation of the people of this phase. They had no knowledge of agriculture, fire, or pottery of any material. Men during this period used tool of unpolished, undressed, rough stone and lived in a cave and rock shelters. They mainly used hand axes, cleavages, choppers, blades, scarpers, and burns. Their tools were made of hard rock called quasite. Hence, Paleolithic men are called Quasite men. Homo sapien first appeared in the last phase of Paleolithic age. The Paleolithic age in India has been divided into three phases according to the nature of the stone tool used. The Paleolithic age in India has divided into three phases according to their stone of the used by the people and according to the nature of the change in the climate. Early or lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, and upper Paleolithic. First, early Paleolithic age. Age covered the greater part of the Ice Age. Its characteristic tools are hand axe, cleavagers, and choppers. Such tools have been found in Swain and Son River, now in Pakistan, and in the Balan Valley in Mirzapur district of UP. In this period, climate became less humid. Second, Middle Paleolithic phase is characterized by the use of stone made of lasky, mainly scrapers, borers, and blades like tool. This side are found in the valley of Son, Narmada, and Tungabhadra river. During this phase, uh, Pythio, Pithecanthropus or Homo erectus evolved. Third, in Upper Paleolithic phase, the climate becomes warm and less humid. The stage is marked by the burns and scarpers. Such tools have been found in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bhopal, and Chota Nagpur plateau. Old Stone Age sites are widely found in various parts of Indian subcontinent. Are generally located near water sources. In olden Stone Age, in olden stage food are obtained by hunting animals and gathering edible plant and turbers. Therefore, these people are called as hunter-gatherers. The hunting of large animal would have required the combination effort of a group of people with a large stone axes. Their base of the life become modified with the passage of time. Since they made attempt to domesticate animals, made crude pot and grow some plant. A few old Stone Age paintings have also been found on rock and Bimbebetka in Madhya Pradesh and other places. The period before 10,000 BC is assigned to the Old Age. Some of the famous sites of Old Age in India are the Soin Valley and Putwar Plateau on the northwest India, the Shivalik Hill on the North India, Bimbebetka in Madhya Pradesh, Adamgarh Hill in Narmada Valley, Kul, uh, Kulnoor in Andhra Pradesh, and Atirampakkam near Chennai. At Chonapani Mandro in the Balon River of the Vindhyas and the middle part of the Narmada Valley, a sequence of occupation from the all three stages of the Paleolithic or to Neolithic age stages have been found in sequence. Chuopani Mando is an important site where fossil animal bones have been found. The Sun and the adjacent Balan Valley, Mirzapur, UP, provide a sequence of artifacts from the Lower Paleolithic to Neolithic. Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, 10,000 BC to 6000 BC. The next stage of human life is called Mesolithic or Middle Age, which falls roughly from 10,000 BC to 6000 BC and was the transition phase between the Paleolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Various Mesolithic sites are found in the Chotanagpur region, central India, and also south of the Krishna River. Mesolithic remains are found in the Langganj in Gujarat, Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh, and also in south place of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh in Bihar. In the site of the Mesolithic age, a different type of stone tool is found. These are teeny stones artifact often not more than 5 centimeter inside. These characteristic tools of the Mesolithic age are known as Mesoliths pointed Kisconic blades, scrapers, etc. are made of stones. The painting and the engravings found on the rock shelters give an idea about the social life and economic activities of Mesolithic people. Hunting and gathering pattern of life continued during this period. However, there seems to have been a shift from a big animal hunting to small animal hunting and fishing. The use of bow and arrow also began during this period. Also, there began a tendency to settle for longer period in an area. Therefore, domestication of animal horticulture and primitive cultivation started. The last phase of this age saw a beginning of plains cultivation. Animal bones are found in these sites. These include dogs, deer, boars, and ostrich. Occasionally, burials of dead along with the some microlithic and cells seem to have been practiced. Neolithic age 6000 BC to 1000 BC. A remarkable progress in the notice in human civilization in the Neolithic age in the world context. The New Stone Age begins in 9000 BC. The only Neolithic settlement in the Indian subcontinent attribute to 7000 BC in Mehergarh, which is situated in Baluchistan, a province of Pakistan. In India, Neolithic is not earlier than 6000 BC and at some place in south and eastern India. It is as late as 1000 BC. These include the Kashmir Valley, Chirand in Bihar, Balan Valley in Uttar Pradesh, and in several places of Deccan. The important Neolithic sites are Bozarham and Gulfstral in Jammu Kashmir, famous for pit dwell, stones, tools, and graveyard in house. Second, Maski, Brahmagiri, Takkala Kota in Karnataka, Paimatpati in Tamil Nadu. Third, Pikhal and Halopur in Andhra Pradesh, Garo Hill in Meghalaya, Chirand and Sunivar in Bihar, known for remarkable bone tools. Amiri Kotji etc. Kotha Koldiva in Uttar Pradesh revealed a threefold cultural sequence: Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Iron Age. The chief characteristic feature of the Neolithic culture are the practice of agriculture, domestication of animal, polish of stones, tools, and the manufacturing of pottery. The cultivation of the plant and domestication of animal lead to the emergence of the village community based on sanitary life. There was a great improvement in technology of making tools and other equipment used by men. Stone tools were now polished, and these polished axes were found to be more effective tools for hunting and cutting trees. Mud bricks houses are built instead of grass huts. Neolithic people know about the making of fire and pottery first by hand and then by potter's wheels. They also painted and decorated their pottery. Pottery was used for cooking. used for cooking as well as storage of food grains. Large urns were used to coffins for the burial of the dead. There were also improvements in agriculture. Wheat, barley, rice, millet were the cultivated in different areas at a different point of time. Neolithic sites in Ahmedabad district are noted for the cultivation of rice in the 6th millennium BC. Domestication of sheep, goat, and cattle were widely prevalent. Cattle were used for cultivation and for the transportation. People of Neolithic age were used cloth made of the cotton and wool. Chalcolithic or Metal Age. The end of the Neolithic period saw the use of metal, of which copper was the first, and a culture based on the use of the stone and the copper arrived. Such a culture is called the Chalcolithic, which means the stone chopper phase. The new technology of smelting metal ore and crafting metal artifact is an important development in human civilization, but the use of stone tool was not given up. Some of the microlithic tools continued to be essential items. People began to travel for a long distance to obtain metal ores, which lead to a network or a chalcolithic culture, and a chalcolithic culture were found in many parts of India. Generally, chalcolithic culture had grown in the river valley. Gold was the probably Gold was probably one of the earliest discoveries, but it served as a material for the ornament only. Important sites of this phase are spread in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, MP, etc. In South India, the river valley of the Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Paner and the Kaveri were settled by farming communities during this period. Although they were not using metal in the beginning of the Metal Age, there is evidence of copper and bronze artifact by the end of the second millennium BC. Several bronze and copper object, bead, terracotta figurines, and the pottery were used at Payampalli in Tamil Nadu. The Chalcolithic people used different type of pottery, of which black and the red pottery was most popular. These people were not acquainted with the burnt bricks and generally lived in thatched house. It was village economy. The Chalcolithic age followed by the Iron Age. Iron is frequently referred to in Vedas. The Iron Age of the Southern Peninsula is often related to Mesolithic burials or Mesolithic means large stones. The burial pits were covered with these stones. Such graves are extensively found in South India. Some of the important Mesolithic sites are Halor and Maski in Karnataka, Nagarjuna Kunda in Andhra Pradesh, and Adi Chandra in Tamil Nadu. Black and the red pottery, iron artifacts such as hoes and sheep sickles and small weapons were found in the burial pits. Indus Valley civilization in India. Indus Valley civilization was an important civilization thriving along the Indus River and the sorry, Chaggar Hakra River in what is now Pakistan, northwestern India. According to the radiocarbon dating, it is spread from the 2,500 years to 1715 BC. Dayaram Sahani first discovered the Harappa on Ravi in 1921. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro or Mount of the Dead on Indus in 1922. Sir John Marshall played a crucial role in both these. Harappan civilization forms a part of the proto-history of India, belongs to the Bronze Age. Copper, bronze, silver, gold were known but not iron. The Indus Valley people were well equipped with the use of both cotton and wool. Domestication of animal. Stock breeding was important in Indus culture. Besides sheep and goat, dogs, hummed cattle, buffalo, and elephant are certain domestication. The chemical was rare and horse were not known. Town planning, elaborate town planning. It is a followed the grid system. Road were well cut, dividing the towns into large rectangle or square blocks. Used burnt bricks of good qualities as the building material. Elsewhere in the contemporary world, muds bricks were used in Mohenjo-daro, a big public bath, great bath measuring 12 meter by the 7 and 2.4-meter deep has been found. Step lead from either end to the surface with the changing room alongside. It was probably used for the ritual bathing, underground drainage system, major cities and their features. Mohenjo-daro Sindh is situated on the right bank of Indus. Great Granaries, Great Bath, Assembly Hall, Cell Stripe, Pasupati Mahadev, Proto Shiva Seal, bronze image of dancing girl, citadel image of the beard man, clay figures of Mother Goddess found in Mohenjo-daro. Chanudaro, Chanudaro lies in the left bank of Indus, around 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro city without a citadel. Inkpot in imprints of dog paw on bricks, terracotta models of bullock cart, bronze twice cart are important architect finding in Chanudaro. Kalibangan, Rajasthan was on the bank of river Chaggar, which dried up centuries ago. Plugged field surface 7 fire altars, decorated bricks, wheels of a toy cart, Mesopotamian cylindrical seals are found at Kalibangan. Luthal is at the head of the Gulf of the Cambay. Important exhibition on the dockyard. Fire altar terracotta figurine of horses, double burial terracotta model of the sheep dying West Persian Iranian seals, painted jar, birds and foxes. Bani Bali, Bani Bali, Haryana are situated on the bank of now extinct Sabarmati River. Important feature of the Luthal are lack of grid pattern, town planning, lack of systematic drainage pattern, toy polished clay feature figures of Mother Goddess. Surkakota, Gujarati, is at the head of the Run of Kutch. Important archaeological excavation are bones of horses, oval graves, and the pot burials. Dholavira, Gujarat, exhibited in the Kutch district. Bronze image, Chittori and the chariot, ox, elephant, and the rhinoceros are the important exhibitions. Trade and commerce in Indus Valley civilization. There was no metallic money in the circulation, and trade was carried through the barter system. Weight and measured accuracy exist in Harappan culture found at Luthal. The weight was made of limestone, state etc. were generally cubical in shape. 16 was the unit of measurement. 64, 160, and 320. A dockyard has been discovered at Luthal, Rangpur, Somnath, and Balakot. Functioned as seaport. Sut, Sutkandor and Sutkoho function at outlets. Indus Valley Civilization script. The script is not alphabetic but pictorial. About 1600, disappeared, disappeared. Sorry, my pronunciation here is misprinted. Picture, I think wrong. Disappeared photograph. The script has not been deciphered so for overlap of letters, so that it was written from the right to left in the first line and left to the right in the second line. The style is called Duostrophodon. Vedic culture, 1500 BC to 600 BC. The Vedic civilization was a culture and tradition of the society prevalent during the Vedic age, 1500 to 600 BCE. Vedic literature. The term Ved means superior knowledge in Sanskrit. Four major Vedas constitute the Vedic literature. They are Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, and Atharva Veda. The Rig Veda, earliest Veda, has 1028 hymns in praise God. Second, Yajurveda has detail of rules to be followed during sacrifices. Amaveda has collection of songs. The origin of Indian music are traced to it. Arthaveda has a collection of spells and charms. Beside these Vedas are the Beside these Vedas, there are Brahmanas, Upanishads, Arangas, and the epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. Brahmanas prose about the Vedic hymns, ritual, and philosophies. Arankyas deals with the mythism and rites and rituals. Upanishad philosophical text dealing with soul's mystery of nature. Ramayana was authored by Valmiki. Mahabharata was written by the Ved Vyas. Classification of Vedic period. The period of Vedic civilization is belonged to in 1500, 1500 BC to 500 BC is divided into two broad parts. Early Vedic period 1500 to 1000 BC is known as a Rig Veda period. Later Vedic 1000 BC to 600 BC. Political organization in Vedic age. In early Vedic, Kula was a basic unit of political organization. Multiple families together in kinship form, formed a grama. Group of village called a Vishu, headed by Vishyapati. The highest political and administrative unit was Jana or tribe. There were several such tribal kingdoms: Bharatas, Matyas, Yadas and Purushas were the two bodies. Sabha, Council of Elders, Samiti, generally assembly of people. Society in Vedic civilization, the Rig Veda society was basically patriarchal. The basic unit of society was Grama or family. Its head or was called as Grahapati. Apala, Vishwa, Vishwavara Ghosha and Lopamudra was a woman poets. Women could attend the popular assemblies. No child marriages. Sati practice no practice social evils. No child marriage. Sati Pita. Social division were not rigid. Varna system in Vedic civilization. Economic condition in Vedic civilization. The Rig Veda Aryans were passionate cattle rearing people after they permanently settled in northern India. They began to agriculture carpenter produced chariots and plucks a variety of articles with copper, bronze, and iron made was by worker. Spinning was an important occupation. Cotton and the woolen fabric. Goldsmiths are made ornament. The potters made different kind of vessels for the domestic use. Trade was conducted by the water system in the beginning, but later shifted use of gold coins called Nishka for the largest transaction. River acted as a means of transport. Coins beside Nishka, Satamana gold coins and Krishnala silver coins were used to made of media of exchange. Religion in Vedic period. Rig Veda Aryans worshipped natural forces like earth, fire, wind, rain, thunder by personifying them into many gods. Some important Rig Veda gods Prithvi, Earth, Agni, Fire, Vashu, Wind, Varuna, Rain, and Indra, Thunder. And the Indra was the most important Agni as intermediary between the god and the people. Varuna, the upholder by the natural order, female god Aditi and Usas, no temple and no ideal worship. Prayers were offered to God for rewards. Buddhism in India. Buddha born in 563 BC on the Vaishashika Purnima day at Lumbini near Kapilvastu in Nepal. His father Sudhodana was a Saka ruler. His mother Mahamaya or Koshila dynasty died after 7 days of his birth, brought up by the stepmother Gautami. Married at 16 to Yasodhara, enjoyed the married life for 13 years, had a son named Rahula, left his palace at 29 with Chana, the charioteer, and his favorite horse, Kanthaka, in search of truth, also called the Maha Mahabhinashik. Sorry, I think pronunciation is maybe wrong here. Mahabhinishkamana, or the great renunciation, and wandered for 6 years, attained nirvana or enlightenment at 35 at Gaya in Magadha, Bihar, under the people tree. Delivered the first sermon at the Sarnath, where his 5 disciples had settled. His first sermon is called the Dharma Chakra Pravartana, or turning of the wheel of law, attainment sorry, Parinivarana at Kushinagar, identical with village Kaisha in Deuteria district of UP in 483 BC at the age of 18 in Mala Republic Buddhist Council. The monk gathered 4 times after the death of Buddha, and effect of these events had their effect on Buddhism. For a first council at Rajgarh in 483 BC, under the chairmanship of the Mika Kashapa, the king was Ajatasattu, divided the teaching of Buddha into two Pitakas, Vidyapitika and Suttapitika. Upali recited the Vinyapatika, and Andha recited the Suttapitika. Second council at Vaishali in 383 BC under Sabakami king was the Kala Ashoka follower, divided into call sorry follower divide Kal Ashoka divided into Satvimandinas and Mahashangikas. Third council at Patliputra in 250 BC under the Magoliputta Tisa king was Asoka. In this, the third part of the Tripitaka was coded in Pali language. Fourth council in Kashmir at Kashmir, uh, Kundal one in 1702 AD under Vashumitra king was Kanishka. Vice chairman was Ashwagosha, divided Buddhism into Mahayana and Hinayan sects. Buddhist literature, Buddhist sculptures in Pali are commonly referred to as Tripitakas, i.e., example threefold basket. Vinaya Pitaka, rules of the disciple in Buddhist monasteries. Sutta Pitaka, the large contain collection of Buddha sermons. Abhidhamma Pitaka, explanation of philosophy, principle of Buddhist religion. Jainism in India. There are 24 three, sorry, three Thankas, professor gurus as Kshatriyas. First was Rishabhanath and Bulbul. The 23rd Tirthankar Pasunath embalmed Sneki was son of the king Ashwavashena of Banarasa. His main teaching was non-injury, non-lying, non-stealing, non-possession. The 24th and the last Tirthankar was the Vardhamanan Mahabhira, embodied lion. Vardhamanan Mahabhira. Bardhaman Mahavira. He was born in Kundagrim district, Muzaffarpur, Bihar, in 599 BC. His father Siddhartha was a head of Janatkiraka clan. His mother was a Trishala, sister of Lichvi prince. Chetaka of Vaishali. Mahavira was related to Bimbisara, married to Yashoda, and daughter named was Priyadarshiniya, Darshina, whose husband Jamali became the first disciple at 13. After the death of his parents, he became an atheist. In 13th year of the ancestrism, on the 10th of Vaishashika, outside of the town of Jirmbi Grama, he attained supreme knowledge Kaivalva. From now he on, he was called a Jaina or Jitendra Mahavira, and his follower was named Jains. He also got the title of Arihant, i.e., worthy. Uh, at the age of 72, he attained death at Pava near Patna in 527 BC. Note, in Jainism, three ratnas were given, and they are called the way to nirvana. They are right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. History of Jain Council. First council held at Patliputra by Satuluha Bandra in beginning of the 3rd century BC. It resulted in the completion of 12 Agnas to replace 4th Purvas. Second council, it was held at Vaibhavi, Gujarat in the 5th century AD under the leadership of Deviri Digini. The Magadha Empire, the period of Magadha Empire, 6th century to 4th century BC, extent of Magadha Empire. Magadha embraced the former district of the Patna Gaya and part of Shahabad and grew to be the leading state of the time. Harinka dynasty, originally founded in the 566 BC by the grandfather of Bimbisara, actual founder Bimbisara actual foundation by Bimbisara. The king Bimbisara of Magda, time period 500 to 544 BC to 492 BC, contemporary of Buddha. His capital was Rajgiri. Uh, his capital was surrounded by five hills, and the opening in which closed by the stone walls on the all side. Second, Ajatasattu, 492 BC to 416 BC, son of Bimbisara, killed his father and seized the throne. Buddha died during his reign, arranged the fifth Buddhist council, Dayan, 460 to 444 BC. He founded the new capital at Patliputra, situated at the confluence of the Ganga and Sons. Shishunaga dynasty, founded by the minister Shishunag. He was succeeded by Kal Ashoka, second Buddhist council. Remember, I think you just remember this person. Dynasty lasted for the two generation only. Greatest achievement was the destruction of power of Avanti. Nanda dynasty, founded by the Mahapadmanand. Alexander attacked in India in their region. Dhananand was there at that time. Alexander's invasion of India. Alexander, um, 356 BC to 323 BC, was the son of Philip of the Macedonia, Greece, who was invaded India in 326 BC. At that time, and northwest India was split into three numbers of small independent states like Taxila, Punjab, Gandhar, etc. Except Porus was fought the famous battle of Hypades on the bank of Jhelum was with Alexander. All other kings submitted meekly, except Porus, who fought the famous battle of Hydaspes on the bank of Jhelum. Alexander, with all kings, submitted meekly. When Alexander reached Bias, his soldiers refused to go further, so he was forced to retreat. To mark the farthest point of the advance, he erected 12 huge stones altered on the north bank of Vyas, remained in India for 19 months, and died in 323 BC at Babylon. The Mauryan dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya, 300 to 22, 322 to 297 BC. With the help of the Chanakya known as Kautilya Vishnugupta, he overthrew the Nanda establishment. The rule of the Mauryan dynasty built a vast empire which included not only good portion of Bihar, Bengal, but also western north and western and northwestern India and Deccan. This account is given by the Megasthenes, a Greek ambassador sent by the Seleucus to the court Chandragupta Maurya in his book Indica. We got a detail from the Arthashastra of Kautilya's. Chandragupta adopted the Jainism and went to श्रावना विलोंगल सॉरी आई थिंक मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन यहाँ थोड़ी ख़राब हो सकती है श्रावना बीला गोला नियर मैसूर विद भद्रा भद्रबहु वेयर ही डाइड बाई स्लो स्टेरिवेशन Bindusara 297 BC to 273 BC. Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by his son Bindusara in 297 BC. He is said to have conquered the land between the two seas, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Asoka 269 to 232 BC. Asoka was the most famous modern king and one of the greatest rulers. Asoka assumed the title of Priyadarshini. Please to look at the Devanan Devanam Priya belong to gods in the Sarnath inscription. Be adopted the third title Dharma Ashoka. Asoka's edict, major rock edict, a set of 12 inscriptions found at the following eight places: Dhauli, Grinar, Jaudi Guda, Kalsi, Mansera, Bajigarh, Sopara, and Yanagardi. Minor rock intake found in at 13 places: Bairat, ब्रह्मगिरी गावीमठ गजारा जतिनगा रामेश्वरा मस्की पालीगुंडा मेधागिरी रूपनाथ सारारम सिद्धार्थपुरा Sur, sorry, Survanagiri and Veragudi. Major rock addicts. First, major rock provided of animal sacrifices. Second, related to neither of social welfare. Third, respecting one's parents. Fourth, impact of dhamma non-violence toward animals. Fifth, appointment of dhamma mahamantris to spread dhamma. सॉरी आई थिंक फिफ्थ वाला रॉन्ग हो गया दोबारा पढ़ ले रहा हूँ फिफ्थ अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ धमा महामंत्र टू स्प्रेड धमा सिक्स वेलफेयर मीजर ऑफ एफिशिएंट कलिंगा वॉर 261 BC mentioned in 13th rock addict it changed his attitude toward life. Asoka became a Buddhist after that. Asok Dhamma is a Prakriti word from a Sanskrit term dharma, which means religious duty. Asok gave up the policy of conquest through war, Digvijaya, and began to follow a policy of conquest through a Dharma Vijaya. Asoka's dharma was related to norms of social behavior and activities. Its norms are mentioned in Asoka's edicts due to this policy. His name shines with a unique brilliance. Causes of the fall of Mauryan Empire. Asoka's patronage of Buddhist and anti-sacrificial attitude is said to have affected the income of the Brahmanas. So they developed antipathy against Asoka. Revenue from the Aryans areas were not sufficient to maintain such a vast empire as booty from the war and the war was negligible. Successors of Asoka was too weak to keep together such a large centralized empire. Note the last emperor, King Bhadratha, was killed by Pashumitra Shunga, commander-in-chief in 185 BC, who started the Sunga dynasty in Magadha. Sangam age in India. Cholas. The kingdom was called Cholam Mandalam or the Kurumandal. The chief center was Urayura, a place famous for the cotton trade, capital for Kaveri Patnam Pohar. A Chola king named the Alara conquered Sri Lanka, ruled it over for 15 years. Karikala was their famous king. Main source of wealth was trade in cotton cloths. They also maintained an efficient navy. The Iron Age in South India laid the foundation of the Golden Period, which began in 300 BC and lasted till 300 AD. This period, popularly known as Sangam Age, is widely regarded as a golden age of Tamil. The literature collectively produced by the ancient time poet is commonly known as Sangam literature. Sangam literature makes a mention of three kingdoms, Chola, Chera, and Pandyas. The Gupta period. The Gupta dynasty or Gupta Empire, the Gupta Empire, golden age of India. On the ruins of the Kushan Empire arose a new empire which established a way over a good part of the former domination of the both Kushans and Satavahanas. The first two kings of the dynasty were Sri Gupta and Gatur Gacha. Chandragupta first 319 AD to 335 AD, the first important king of the Gupta dynasty. Gupta dynasty started the Gupta era in 319 to 320 AD. He enhanced his power and prestige by the marrying Kumara Devi, princess of Lichvi clan of Nepal. He acquired the title of Maharaja Dhiraj, struck coins in the joint name of the himself, his queen, and Lachvi nation, thereby acknowledging his marriage alliances. Samudragupta, 335 to 375 AD. The Gupta kingdom was enlarged enormously by the Chandragupta's sons and successor Samudragupta. Samudragupta believed in the policy of war and conquest because his bravery and generalship. He is known as the Napoleon of India by historians B. A. Smith. Chandragupta II. 380 to 413. Samudragupta was succeeded by Ram Gupta, but Chandragupta II was killed him and married his queen Dhruva Devi. He was the first ruler of issued silver coin, also issued copper coins. His court was adorned by the celebrated nine gems, Navratna, including Kalidas, Amar Simha, Baramihir, and Dantivendra. Chinese pilgrimage Fahin visited India at the time. Kumaragupta first, 413 to 455 BC, sorry AD. He adopted the title of Mahendra Aditya. Mahendra Aditya founded Nalanda University, uh, a re-owned University of Ancient India. He was the worshipper of Lord Kartikeyan of the Lord Shiva. In the last years of his reign, the peace and prosperity of the empire was distributed due to the invasion of the Turco-Mongol tribe Hunas during the war with the Hunas. Kumar Gupta died. Skandagupta, 455 to 467. Kumar Gupta one was followed by Skand Gupta, restored the Sudarshana Lake. After his death, the great days of the Guptas were over. The empire continued to central control, weakened a local governance, become a feudatory king with hereditary rights. Gupta literature in India. Kalidas, the great Sanskrit dramist, belonged to this period. His books are Abhigyan considered as one of the best literature work in the world, one of the earliest Indian work to be translated into European language. The other work being as Bhagavad Gita, Ritu Shamahara, Megha Dutam, Megdutam, Kumara Shambhubama, Mala Vika, sorry, Mala Vika Gini Mitram, uh, Raghu Vansha, Vikram Urvashi, etc. Out of these, Ritu Samhara, Megadutam, Raghuvansha were epics and rest were plays. Uh, Vishaka Datta wrote Mudra Rakshas and Devi Chandra Guptama. Vishnu Sharma wrote Panchatantra and Hito Pradesh. The Gupta period also saw the development of Sanskrit grammar based on the Pinini and Patanjali. Ramayana and Mahabharata were also completed by the 4th century AD. Other dynasties and rulers, 7th century to 12th century AD. Harshvardhana AD sorry 606 to 646 647 AD, belonged to Pashyabhuti family and son of the Prabhakar Vardhan. Originally belonged to Thaneshwara but shifted to Kannauj after Harsh death. Kannauj was born from the Harsha successor by the Pratihara's Chinese pilgrimage Huang Xiang, prince of travelers, visited during his region. Harsha himself wrote three plays, Priyadarshika, Ratnavali, and Nagananda. After the death of Harsha in 647, the empire once again broke up into petty states. First Xiang, another Chinese language visited in 617 AD. The Chalukyas. Pushkin 1 543 to 556 was the first independent ruler of Badami and Batapi in Bijapur as his capital. Kirti Varma first 566 to 596 succeeded him as a throne. When he died, their heir to the throne, Prince Pulkeshin II was just a baby, and so the king brother Manglesha was crowned as a caretaker ruler. Over the years, he made many unsuccessful attempts to kill the prince, but the ultimately killed himself by the prince and his friends. Pulkeshin II, 610 to 642, son of Pulkeshin I, was the contemporary of Harshvardhana, was the most famous of the Chalukyan kings. His reign is remarkable, remembered as the greatest period in history as Karnataka, and he defeated Harshvardhana on the bank of the Narmada after conquering the Koshalas and the Kalingas and the Eastern Chalukyans dynasties, and inaugurated by his Pulkeshin second brother Kubja Vishnu Vardhana. In 631, the Chalukyan Empire extended from the sea to sea. However, Pulkesin II was defeated by probably killed in 642 when the Pulkesin under Narshi Varman first attacked on their capital and captured the Chalukyans' capital at Badami. Chalukyans rose to power once again under the leadership of Vikramaditya I, 655 to 681, who defeated his contemporary Pandya, Pallava, and Chula ruler to establish supremacy of the Chalukya Empire in the region. Vikramaditya II in 733 to 745 defeated the Pallava king Nandi Varma II to capture a major portion of Pallava kingdom. Vikramaditya II, sons Karti Varma II, 745, he disposed by the Rashtrakuta ruler Danti Durga, who established the Rashtrakuta dynasty. The Cholas, 9th century to 13th century. The Cholas dynasty was the most popular dynasty of the South India, which ruled the India, Tamil Nadu, and the part of Karnataka with Tanjore and as his capital. The early Chola ruler was the Kari Kala Chola, who ruled in the 2nd century. In 815, Vijayala captured Tanjore during the Pandya Pallava to commemorate his ancestors. He built a temple at Tanjore, the giant statue of Gometeshwara at Shravan Gola was also built during this period. Vijayala's sons Aditya I, 871 to 901, succeeded him to throne. It was Raja Raj I, 985 to 1040, during which Chola reached a zenith. He snatched back his lost territory from the Rajputas and became most powerful of the Chola ruler. Raja is also famous for the beautiful Shiva temple, who is constructed at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. He is also called Raja Rajeshwara. His name Rajen Chola, 1014 to 1044, son of Raja I, was an important ruler of the dynasty who conquered Odisha, Bengal, Burma, and the Andaman Nicobar Island. The Chola dynasty was its zenith also during region. He conquered the Sri Lanka, Kullu Kutunga, 1 1072 1122 was another significant Chola ruler. Kullu Kutunga first united the two kingdoms of the eastern Chalukya of Vengi and the Cholas of Tanjavur. After a long region of half century, mm, Kullu Kutunga first passed away sometime in 1122 AD, was succeeded by his son Vikrama Chola, surname Twaga Gashang Mudra. The last ruler of Chola dynasty was Raja Rajendra III, 1246 to 1279 AD. He was a weak ruler who surrendered to the Pandyas. Later, Malik Kafur invaded this Tamil state in 1310, executed the extinguished the Chola Empire, and our ancient history is completed now. I think I just completed the chapter very गुड मैन आई थिंक सो बट काफ़ी जगह मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन मिस्टेक्स हो गई हैं तो डोंट माइंड और समझ लेना आप लोग थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है ऊपर नीचे एंड तब तक के लिए बाय बाय आई थिंक कंप्लीट तो हो ही गई अपनी एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री